comes next?
2.
2. What comes after 2?
3.
Where's 3? Can you help me find 3? Oh, I think it's right here. Is that it? What's that one? Oh, that's number 4. What comes after 4?
5.
You guys have to help me find 5. Ooh, this is a tricky thing, isn't it?
5.
Man, there's 5. How did you know that was 5? Oh, I love it. Okay, what comes after 5?
6.
Who can find 6? I need 6 purple dots. Okay, so I need the number that comes after 5. Which one comes after 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, that was sweet. Should we count that one together? Let's count that one. Ready? Let's say it together. You point and let's say the words together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 dots on that one. Holy smokes, that's a lot of dots, isn't it?